Hi guys, today we will make mouth-watering, delicious caramel pudding. If you are not subscribed my channel, please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for notification. Turn on the flame. Add 3 tablespoons of sugar for caramelizing. Keep in a low flame until the color changes. Instead, swirl the pan. Caramel is done. Pour the caramel into the pudding mold or a pan. Swirl well to coat the base of the mold evenly. Keep aside to set. Add 4 eggs in a bowl. Add cup of sugar. Add half tablespoon vanilla essence. Whisk gently. Add warm milk 500 ml. Whisk gently. Pour the egg and milk mixture on the sugar syrup. Turn on the flame. Take a deep vessel and add water. Place a pudding container in the vessel. Cover it and steam for 30 minutes. Cool it and keep it in a fridge for 3 hours. After freezing, pull the top edge with the knife. Cover with a plate on the top and quickly flip it over. Caramel pudding is ready. Wow! You can try in your home. Delicious, mouth-watering caramel pudding. Thank you for watching.